How to trim video in Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can trim video in Instagram story. Now if you're trying to upload a story on Instagram and you have a video that's above 1 minute, normally Instagram supports the upload of up to 1 minute on a story, but if you have suppose 1 minute, 5 second, 1 minute or 2 minutes video and you want to upload it on story, then it will automatically upload the first 1 minute of that particular video. Right now, unfortunately, there is no any option to trim the video itself on the story. So what you can do is, first you can tap on the plus icon. You want to head into the post option. You can select the video that you wish to add on story on your post option, then tap on next, and now here you'll be able to trim it. As you can see here, the trim icon there at the top. So you want to tap on it and you can see you can create cutouts as well, and you can see timeline editor as well. So what you want to do is you want to tap on timeline editor. If you don't get the crop icon, the scissors icon at the top right, you can see timeline editor at the bottom left corner. You want to tap on it, and now you can tap on it, and now you can crop it from here. Basically the part that you wish to upload on your story up to 1 minute, you want to crop it and then you can save it. You can tap on next arrow icon, and from here you can save it directly from here after you check it. Right now I'll just show you. So once you have crossed it, you'll get the save icon at the top right corner. You can save it and then you can go ahead and you can upload it to your story. So this is how you can trim video in Instagram story. Unfortunately, you can't do so on your story itself. You can do it on the post and upload it to story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.